Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about the third part of this chapter, that is chapter 8 is I am and are. Till now we have studied about the how we'll be using that is I am and are in the singular words and the plural words. We have learned this also, we have done this exercise also, and then we have matched the following with the help of the pictures which is given above, and we have done this exercise. Then we have learned about that these are the sentences with the help of the pictures, as we can see here, and we have learned how we'll be using this and that, these and those, and we have done this exercise also with this help. And then E exercise which we have done with the help of the picture which is given here. Now we'll be doing the learning with the ladybird. So now we'll be learning about what the ladybird is saying. So let's begin with it. We use be plus verb plus ing to say something, to say that something is happening now. So we'll be using be, verb, ing to say something. So how it is? Like he is playing, they are walking, we are running. So in this, the last word which we are using, like he is playing. So play, P-L-A-Y, play, that is the first form. And then when we will be using the second form of the verb, that is playing, we are adding ing with it. So that comes as playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Then they are walking. So W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Then the third one, we are running. So R-U-N-N-I-N-G. So we are using in all these words the ing. Okay. Then we use simple, present simple of be. So that is the first form which we have used. And when we are using the second form, then we will be using ing. Then make the ing form like this. And when we will use, first we will be using the first form of the verb, and then we will be using the second form. That is like, for an example, talk, T-A-L-K, that is the first form. And then will be the second form, we will be adding ing with it. Talking, T-A-L-K-I-N-G. Okay. Then we will be using same as it is with write, W-R-I-T-E, write. And when we will changing the form with the ing, then we will be using writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Same as it is with run and running, R-U-N-N-I-G, running. Okay. So then, are you listening? I am listening. He is listening. He is not talking. So in this also we have used with are you listening. We have used are, I, is, and is also with all these sentences with the help, and we have used ing also in this. Okay. For short verbs that end with vowel and consonant, we write the last letter again and add ing. For example, run, running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. For short verbs that end with E, we take away the E and add ing. For example, write and writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. So students, they are saying that if you are using vowel or consonant in these kinds of words, in the end we add a word and then we use ing with it. For example, run, that is R-U-N-I-N-G, run. So when we are adding ing with it, so that becomes R-U-N-N-I-N-G. We have used N double times. Okay. And the same as it is when we are using short verbs. So we cut down the E alphabet from the last. That is write, W-R-I-T-E, write. And when we are using adding ing, then we are writing as W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Okay, students. So we will understand this by doing some exercise that is given here. So let's begin with it. First is write the ing form. So we have to first have to write it ing form. Okay, the first example is get, that is getting. So in this also we have used the word getting. Okay students, so let's do the another one. Have, that becomes having, having, having. So we have cut down the e, havei, and when we are writing having, having, we have cut down e. Then that is going, so going. So when we are using go, that means going. It is we have just add ing with it. Then fourth one is sit. So we'll be writing sitting, sitting. So we have used one t extra, that becomes double t ing, that is sitting. Okay, then we'll do the another one. Complete the sentences. So now we have to complete these sentences. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Are they talking? So that's a question mark. Are they talking? It is written here. That's an example. So the next one is, we can see a dog with a bone. So it is eating a bone. It is eating a bone. Okay, so that means the dog is eating the bone. And the another one, we can see the child is writing. So he is writing. Okay, like this. So now we will be doing the another one, that is two children are swimming. So we will be writing we are swimming. Okay students, so this is how we have to write it down. Then another one, that is drive. Are you driving? Driving, yes. So she is driving. So now we'll be doing the another one, that is the girl is reading the book. So we'll be writing I am reading, like this. Okay students, so this is how we have to do these exercises. So students, this is how we have come to the end of this chapter. I hope students you have understood the chapter. So thank you class. Have a nice day.